So next event, semi-final round in the class in the under 18 boys, 200 meters. And there's the lineup for the first semi-final race. Shawnee Robinson of Norman Mandy, Daquan Dixon of Charlemont, Byron Walker, Heidel, Tyler Morgan, Jamaica College, Andre Genus, Kingston College, Anthony Rochester of Titchfield, and Devon Jones of Racines. Lane number 5, Tyler Morgan, 7th in Class 2 at Champs this year, was 2nd in the 100 final last night behind his teammate Kai Kelly, one of 2 Quinellas for Jamaica College.
And he was leading for the better part of the race before Kai Kelly got into his running. He looks to be in good form, Tyler Morgan. And he's the fastest in the field by personal best this season, 21:35.
Yeah, 3rd fastest U18 for Jamaica this year, behind the leader, Mario Ross, and Jason Pitto, 21:03.
Yeah, no, Mario Ross and Jason Pitto trying to make the world under 20 team, so that's his focus, taking on the big boys over 400 meters, where he is in the final.
Would you say he's taking on the big boys, or he is the big man?
We'll find out on Sunday, that's for sure.
Yeah, high quality running from him this season. But I was impressed with Morgan last night. Last evening, I think he did really well, really good execution. Wasn't phased by the occasion, and maybe that's what you're talking about with other athletes, not phased by the big moment. Produced a great performance, good execution in that final.
The Jamaica College boys continuing to perform well beyond the champ season. And Devon Jones of Racine starts in lane number 8, with lane number 7 occupied by Anthony Rochester of Titchfield. Titchfield building a nice program.
He looked good in the 100 as well.
And that's where Daniel Dowie started. There's the 100 silver medalist Tyler Morgan of Jamaica College. One of the favorites to win the 200 meters in the absence of Maria Ross of Wilmers. There's competitor 56. And Daquan Dixon of Charlemont and Shawnee Robinson of Norman Manley completes the field.
So no Byron Walker, only 4.
He seemed to have been there, but decided to not compete. Stepped away.
Contested the 100 on
your marks
Friday. Tyler Morgan, the favorite, goes in lane number 5. The NACAC Under 18 Championship, the primary focus for these youngsters this summer.
He's on the hunt for a national title after settling for silver last night behind his teammate, Kai Kelly.
Always great to have a good reason to take a summer trip.
Set.
First semi-final of the Under 18 boys, 200 meters. Good response from Tyler Morgan of Jamaica College in lane number 5. Runs a nice sweet curve with Anthony Rochester of Titchfield chasing down the home stretch. Devon Jones of Racines losing ground, too short to go through. And unsurprisingly, Morgan leads them all at 22:17. He gets the semi-final win ahead of Anthony Rochester of Titchfield.
Yeah, very good start from the 100-meter silver medalist. Nice around the curve. Very even running from him. And I think at this point knows that he's well in control. Runs wide on the curve. Swings into the home stretch though with full command and takes charge of this event. Last night, silver medalist aiming for gold. He gets his spot into the final with Genus behind him for second. But as you said, Ricardo, the JC boys looking very good after long season, and his season hoping to continue into the summer. Yeah, always a good reason to.
Here we go, Morgan 22.18, negative 1.4. Anthony Rochester of Titchfield 22.85 in second, with Jones of Racines in third at 23.01.